Here I have HTC Desire and 816, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the more here, then go to the mobile network sharing, and then to the portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable your hotspot, here you can change its name. Here you can change its name, here you can change its password. In advanced you can also hide its SSID, you can select security protocol, you can adjust LAN settings, and you can set it to turn off automatically after 5 or 10 minutes of inactivity. Then tap next, then tap done, and your hotspot is all set up. Now you can switch it on or off freely. You can also use it for USB tethering, for Bluetooth tethering, and yeah, here you can set your hotspot up. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.